My name is Mike and I talk about branding. This is a really exciting video for me because the topic comes from somebody who left a comment. And that comment is, how do I create a non-intimidating brand? I have a nutritional health business and the information that I give to my clients is a bit overwhelming and the changes they need to make are a bit hard. So how can I make that less intimidating? I feel like this one's easy for me to talk about because I've had to make a lot of health changes in the past. My wife has had to make a crazy amount of health changes in the past. And so I was there for the whole thing. I personally hate health stuff. So when I get bad health news about something about myself, it really sucks. I really get so stressed out and I know exactly what that's like. If your first client interactions are really jam-packed with a lot of health information, a lot of changes they're going to need to make, that's going to feel really intimidating right off the bat. And that could be stopping people from getting past the first few steps in your process. What they probably need in reality is little tiny steps and a lot of support and hand-holding along the way. When I was getting into video, one of the biggest things that helped me was a very small group of people that basically said, I'm going to do a video every day, no matter what. And we would push ourselves to do it. And this was a few years ago. And the feedback that they gave me the confidence that I needed to be able to just sit down and make videos and not worry about it that much. The support of those guys was huge for me. And it's what kept me going throughout the process. So I really think the ultimate thing that a nutritional therapist could do for their brand is to try to create a community of people in their niche who are obviously patients and have them constantly talking and supporting each other, just online video groups or in person. I think that's going to really help them throughout their journey. It's another big reason why people go to gyms, why people go to yoga classes. It's because you're there with a whole bunch of other people. You're seeing a bunch of other people doing the thing that you want to do. And it's a lot easier to perform and do the things you need to do physically when there's other people around you doing the same things as you. You're just alone in a room. It's a lot easier to be like, I am so tired. I don't think I can do, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when everybody else around you is doing it, it's a lot easier for you to just keep pushing through it because look, everybody else is. You can see them huffing it too. Community support is so big. And I think that's going to be a pillar of getting this intimidation issue dealt with. Now, there's a lot of research that we could be doing on strategies for simplifying all the complex information you're giving out. I'm sure there's a lot of strategies for that we could look into. But again, that's probably something that I would need to actually have a meeting with you on. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Shoot me a DM if you need help with branding. Bye-bye.